Stop wasting years trying to figure out how to build your course. I've created a generator. Lets you do it in less than 24 hours. And here's the kicker. I'm putting myself on a 90-day challenge to show you exactly how tools like this can scale your business and your faith-driven goals. And you are not packaging it, you are leaving money impact and legacy on the table. The truth is, other people with less experience than you are already selling courses, building wealth while you are still sitting on your ideas. And if you stay with me through this video, I will show you the 5 exact steps to create and sell your course. And at the end, I will give you the free checklist that every course creator should have so you do not waste another month spinning your wheels. Let me be clear. Dream jobs, dream businesses, dream incomes all start with one thing: turning what you know into a system that can be taught. That is why I built the Ascend Edge Course Creation System Pro. It is not random tips. It is not guesswork. It is a complete course development framework that covers everything from strategy to sales. Step 1, define your transformation promise. Courses do not sell because of information. They sell because of transformation. People pay to go from where they are now to where they want to be. That means your course has to promise a specific change. Here is a mistake most creators make. They say things like learn marketing or get better at fitness. That is too vague. Nobody buys vague inside the Course Creation System Pro. You are guided to write a transformation statement that is clear and compelling from this to that in this time frame. Let me give you 2 stories. A coach came to me saying she wanted to build a course about confidence. She had been stuck for months. Once we defined her transformation statement, it became from insecure in public speaking to delivering confident presentations in 30 days. Suddenly, she knew her audience, her title, her modules, and her price. Another client in health fitness went from general fitness course to from beginner to completing a 5 kilobits in 8 weeks. The moment she made the transformation clear, she sold out her first beta group. The essential toolkit inside the system forces you to make these decisions upfront. Your title, your niche, your outcome, your duration, your price, your difficulty level, your delivery model. No more guessing. Think about it. Habakkuk says, write the vision and make it plain so that he who reads it may run. If your course vision is not plain, nobody will run with it. So step 1 is clarity of transformation. Without it, your course is just noise. Step 2, build your course structure. This is where most people freeze. They get excited, sit down to plan, and then the blank page stops them cold. That is why so many course ideas die before they even begin. The Course Creation System Pro is AI powered. That means you can generate modules, lessons, and outcomes in minutes. You do not have to reinvent the wheel. One client in creative arts came to me with an idea for a photography course. She knew her craft, but did not know how to break it into modules. With the system, she clicked generate and instantly had an outline broken into 6 modules with lessons under each. In a weekend, she had structure. Another client in digital marketing had been piecing together slides for 3 months. Once she used the AI prompts, her outline was done in 1 hour. That freed her to focus on recording instead of planning. Full efforts. Here is the psychology. People buy courses that look like a roadmap. They want to see step 1, step 2, step 3. That clarity creates trust. If your structure is scattered, they assume your teaching will be scattered too. The Career Accelerator tier of the system gives you professional outlines, branded templates, and AI build-out prompts. So your course does not look like a side hustle. It looks like a professional program. Let me ask you, if I looked at your idea today, could you show me your modules and lessons on paper? If not, that is why you are stuck. Step 2 is structure, and this system hands it to you. Step 3, create assessments and certification. Let's be real. Most people who buy courses never finish them. They get excited in the beginning, then drop off. Why? Because there is no accountability and no reward. This is where assessments and certifications matter. The Pro system shows you how to build quizzes, projects, portfolio reviews, or final presentations. You choose your passing score and you create your certificate. You give your students a finish line. One client, teaching coding, added a final project requirement. Students had to submit a working website to pass. Not only did completion rates triple, but she collected finished projects that became testimonials. Another client, teaching business, added a certificate that could be posted on LinkedIn. Students shared their certificates and brought her new enrollments for free. The executive suite tier even gives you a certificate generator and templates. Your students can print or post their achievements. That one feature alone separates you from the average creator. Here is the psychology. People stay motivated when they see progress and when they get recognition. Proverbs says the appetite of the laborer works for them. Assessments create hunger, certificates create pride. Step 3 is accountability. Without it, your students drift. With it, they finish and succeed. And successful students become your best sales team. Step 4, set your production standards. Now let's talk about quality. Too many creators upload shaky video with bad audio and wonder why nobody buys. The truth is, people judge the value of your course by how it looks and sounds. Perception is reality. The Course Creation System Pro includes full production standards. It tells you what resolution to record in. It explains audio quality options. It shows you how to brand your slides. It gives you editing style choices from clean but minimal to dynamic. Let me give you stories. A coach recorded her first videos with only her laptop mic. She sounded muffled and unprofessional. Students asked for refunds. She upgraded using the Pro checklist with a $50 microfund. The difference was so clear that her next group finished the course with no complaint. Another client was nervous about video at all. We set her up with slides, a simple webcam, and clean edits. Students loved it because it looked organized and polished. She went from embarrassed to proud. The executive suite tier even includes a complete brand kit and editing guidelines. That means I built an entire suite of generators and toolkits from course creation to business setup, social media, compliance, even health and wellness. They're designed to save you time, cut costs, and grow your income. Today, I'm spotlighting the course creation generator. Normally, people spend months, even years, building out a program. This generator lets you create your course structure in less than 24 hours. Your course can look Fortune 500 level, even if you recorded it in your home office. And let's be real, God calls us to do all things with excellence. Excellence is not about perfection. It is about presenting your best with what you have. Step 4 is production. Do it right. And your course commands respect and a higher price. Step 5, platform and automations. Here is where most people quit. They get stuck in tech overwhelm. Which platform do I use? How do I set up payments? How do I email my students? How do I track sales? The Course Creation System Pro answers all of it. You choose between Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, LearnDash, or Custom. You connect Stripe or PayPal. You set up automation with ConvertKit or MailChimp. You install analytics like Google or Facebook Pixel, and you choose your student support system, whether that is a private Facebook group, a Discord community, or live Q&A sessions. One client teaching health built her course on Teachable with PayPal. She launched in 2 weeks, had paying students. Immediately, another client in business strategy went with Kajabi for the all-in-one experience. He automated his email campaigns, tracked his conversions, and built a private student forum. Both worked because they used a framework instead of guessing. The Executive Suite tier even gives you go-to-market tools that includes sales pages, landing pages, and ads. You do not have to start from scratch. Here is the psychology. Confusion kills action. Automation creates momentum. Momentum creates income. If it is complicated, you procrastinate. If it is automated, you move. Step 5 is automation. Systems move money faster than you ever could on your own. Recap and final call. Let us recap. Step 1, define your transformation promise. Step 2, build your structure. Step 3, add assessments and certifications. Step 4, set your production standards. Step 5, launch on your platform with automation. That is the Course Creation System Pro framework. Now imagine this, 90 days from now, you have your modules recorded, you have your platform live, students are logging in, payments are hitting your account, you are finally building income, impact from the knowledge God already placed in you. And let me tell you this, God did not give you that knowledge to hide it. He gave it to you to multiply it. The servant who buried his gift lost it. The ones who invested, multiply, do not bury your gift. So here are your choices. Keep waiting and watch others profit from the knowledge you also have, or grab the Course Creation System Pro today and build the course you were called to deliver. The link is below. Stop playing small, build your course, build your impact, build your legacy. Subscribe because every week I am giving you proven strategies to grow with faith and systems. Comment below what course you want to create in 2025 because I am picking 3 winners this week to get my course creator checklist free, and share this video with a friend who keeps saying they want to launch a course but never does. They need this